Have you ever rushed out in the morning, jumped in your car to work, and you had a flat tire? Or you turn the key and nothing happens, dead battery? Or maybe you're just out on a road trip or camping, and suddenly you notice your tire pressure is low. No gas station, no air pump, no help nearby. That's exactly why tools like this exist. Today I'm checking out the Acmount W160 jump starter with air compressor. It's basically a portable emergency power station for your car. It can jumpstart your vehicle, inflate tires, charge devices, and even act as an emergency flashlight. And the best part, it's compact enough to keep in your car, backpack, or emergency kit. Let's take a closer look. Right away, you can see the design is compact and portable. It comes in a small carrying case, which makes it really easy to store in your trunk or even a backpack. So inside of the box, you get the jump starter unit, heavy-duty spark clamps, an air inflation hose, and charging cables. Everything you need for roadside emergencies. The display screen is large, bright, and easy to read, which makes it simple to use even if you're not that familiar with car tools. Now the main feature of this device is jump-starting a dead car battery. The process is actually very simple. First, you plug the smart cable clamp into the jump starter. Simply open the gasket and plug it in. Then connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the battery and the black clamp to the negative terminal. The clamps feel solid and well built, and they lock on firmly to the terminals. What's great is the built-in safety protection. Even if someone connects the clamps incorrectly, the system will warn you. You'll see a warning on the screen. That means it won't allow the engine to start until everything is connected safely. So even if you know nothing about cars, this helps protect you. Once everything is connected properly, you can simply start the car, and the engine comes back to life. And then you just disconnect the clamps and you're ready to go. The second big feature is the built-in tire inflator. This is perfect for topping up your tires before a trip. You simply connect the inflation hose to the valve, and it screws right in. Then select your vehicle, whether it's a car, bike, motorcycle, ball, basketball. If you want to manually set your PSI limit, you can do that as well. Press the up and down limits. For example, 36 PSI for many standard car tires. Press start, and the compressor begins inflating. One thing that I really like is the automatic stop function. Once the tire reaches the preset pressure, it stops automatically. That prevents overinflating the tire. It's fast too. Inflating a tire from low pressure back to normal usually only takes a few minutes. Another useful feature is the built-in emergency LED light. This is great for roadside situations at night. You can cycle through multiple modes: standard flashlight, SOS signal, and strobe mode. So if you ever break down in the dark, this makes it much easier to stay visible and work safely. The W160 also works as a portable power bank, so you can charge things like your phone, a tablet, camping lights, or even small outdoor gear. Just plug into the USB port and start charging. This makes it really useful for camping, road trips, and emergency kits. The inflation hose feels very durable and flexible, and the overall build feels very solid. Even when moving the device around, the screen stays bright and very easy to read. And again, the size is really convenient. It's small enough that you can leave it in your vehicle without taking up too much space. So overall, the Acmount W160 jump starter with the air compressor is a really practical emergency tool. You get a jump starter, a tire inflator, power bank, and emergency flashlight, all in one compact device. For something that costs only a few $dozen, it could easily save you from being stranded somewhere. Whether it's for your own car, road trips, or as a gift for someone who drives, it's definitely a smart piece of gear to keep around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And it also comes with different heads for the inflator. You have one for the basketball, one for the inflatable bed,